हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट मेगापिक्सल्स। तो जैसे आप सबको पता है कि एमआई ने 19 मार्च को 108 मेगापिक्सल का मोबाइल कैमरा निकाला है और फूजी फिल्म ने GFX 100 में 100 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा दिया है। मतलब फूजी फिल्म उससे कम है। सो फूजी फिल्म और आगे भी ये मोबाइल कैमरास के मेगापिक्सल बढ़ते जाएंगे। सो DSLR प्रोडक्शन बंद कर दो। क्या ऐसा हो सकता है?
नहीं।
Anyways, so let's talk about this. So why this is happening? Because of the camera sensor. Sensor is the most important hardware when it comes to camera quality. There are good quality sensor, bad quality sensor, there are big sensor, there are small sensor, there are different kind of sensors. We can't determine sensor by some numbers. So what is the sensor? Sensor convert light into electrical signals. There are tiny particles inside the sensor which is called as pixels. So tiny pixels are there inside the camera which records the information in RGB form. It collects the information from that light in RGB form. So each pixel stores the information and capture a photo. So for pixels you can say there are tiny photodiodes inside the camera sensor which collects the information and stores it. Now of course when pixel size will get bigger it can store more information. So of course when camera sensor will get bigger the pixel size will get bigger and it can store more information in that camera sensor. So we all know obviously camera sensor is bigger than the mobile sensor. So let's take a scenario from mobile cameras. So they are putting same size of a camera sensor and different megapixels in different mobiles. Basically they are varying a size of a pixels. So from this we got to know that when the size of a camera sensor is constant but megapixel varies, then it affects the size of pixels. But when we will increase the size of a camera sensor with respect to megapixel, then definitely it can improve the photo quality. So as megapixel increases, the resolution of the photo will also increase. Then we can see for 8 megapixel the resolution is 3456 by 2304 and for 12 megapixel it's 4000 by 3000. So as 12 megapixels resolution is 4000 by 3000, so let's multiply it 4000 into 3000, so it will be 12 megapixels. So as resolution is increasing, then obviously the storage size will also increase. Then we can see the information which we store in 12 megapixel is higher than 14 megapixel. So obviously the storage size will on higher side. So for 12 megapixel the file size is around 3.6 megabytes and for 14 megapixel it's around 4.2 megabytes and for 16 megapixel it around 4.8 megabytes and for 22 megapixels it will go around 6.6 megabytes. So let's look at when camera sensor size is small and megapixels are on higher side. So when megapixels are high then pixel size will get smaller and obviously it can store information, but in daylight it can perform better. So in many mobile cameras we can see that it not perform very well in low light. So this is the reason when camera sensor size is small, pixels are small and megapixels are high. Also we can't forget one thing, which is aperture. Aperture size matters because that increases the amount of light goes towards the sensor. Nowadays every mobile camera's aperture is around f1.8, 1.4. For more information about aperture you can watch my other video which is about camera basics. So I hope you have liked this video. And megapixel is not everything, there are much other things in the camera which is like dynamic ranges and other things. Stay tuned for more great quality content and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.